Every single time you sneeze, your heart stops. Not for long, but it actually stops. The moment your body prepares to sneeze, your chest pressure builds rapidly. Your lungs force air out at 100 miles per hour. That sudden pressure change disrupts the electrical signal, controlling your heartbeat. For a fraction of a second, your heart literally pauses. That's why people say bless you after a sneeze. Centuries ago, people believed your soul was escaping through your mouth. And here's the part that will keep you up at night. The average person sneezes over 1 million times in their lifetime. That means your heart has stopped, and you never even noticed. Over 1 million times already. Follow Body Secrets and discover the shocking things happening inside you right now.